Morning, Steve here, Sailing Alison. Just a quickie today. So I had a problem with my jacket. The pocket zip has become detached from the outer shell here. If I look closely, you can see it's not stitched in at all, it's actually been glued in. So I had a bit of a Google around and I found this stuff, Fabri-Tac. So this seems to be the thing. Various recommendations on the internet. So I'm going to give it a try now. Right, that's the first half of the zip done. I'm going to wait for this to dry. The instructions don't tell you how long that takes. So I'll give it a good few hours and then I will do the other side and report back. After a day, this is what it looks like. I was actually wearing it while out sailing this morning and yeah, it seems fine. So I've just got this side to do as well now. Yeah, it's looking good. So what's the verdict? I think that glue is pretty good. It's very stringy, so it's easy to make a mess, but it certainly does the job. You know, fabric is just as flexible as before it was glued, so it's obviously a very flexible glue once it dries. And as I say, I wore it this morning while we were out sailing without really thinking about it, and it stayed fine. So thumbs up from me.